After everything I did for him, that was the only way he could pay me back. I couldn't believe it. I mean, was that practically the only way you could pay me back for all my goodness? My kindness? You know, up to today, I still curse him. Because as far as I'm concerned, that guy does not deserve peace. As a matter of fact, wherever he is, peace will be far away from him. He will never be happy. Posterity will judge him.
It's okay. It's okay. Please,
Sincerely, there are some things I'm trying to forget. And here you are making me reflect back on it. It doesn't make any sense. Let's talk about business, please.
Wait. I don't get you. I told you that I'm pregnant. Are you not supposed to be happy about it?
Babe, I'm happy about it. But I'm still trying to pick my peace up. I'm still growing my business. Babe, you can't get pregnant now, please.
See, if that is the case, I'll give you more money. All I just want you to do is to follow me to my parents so that my parents will not be disappointed that I'm getting pregnant out of wedlock.
You don't understand. I mean, you don't even know anything about me. You don't know my brother, you don't know where I live, you don't even know my village. We can't skip the pregnancy. Please.
I don't get you. How irresponsible do you sound now? I don't understand. All I just want you to do is to follow me to my parents so that... See, I have money. I just want us to get our traditional and white weddings done. Do not let me regret this.
You slapped me.
The next day, I sold everything, including my business. And I ran away.
Huh?
Tado.
Chukunonso! You are indeed a wicked man.
Kwawo. Chinonso.
Who am I married to?
Bia Chukunonso. Let me tell you something, oh. You are my very, very good friend. And I will not lie. I will not even lie to you right now. This one you have talked right now is wrong. This one you have talked now is very, very long. It is very, very bad. You cannot do this to your fellow human being. It is very bad now. Nke sonyelo cha. At all. Haba. Hewu. Ha.
Did you for once consider how she would feel? Certainly not, right? Just like you never for once considered how I was going to feel. You never for once, Chukunonso, put me into consideration. You punished me severely, countless times without even considering me for once. Chinonso. You are a wicked man. A very heartless one at that.
Please, take it easy on me. Karma is already dealing with me. Just look at me.
The same karma is dealing with me.
My life is miserable.
I am innocent, but I am also miserable.
Have mercy. Show me mercy, my wife.
The most painful thing is that I am paying for a sin I never committed. I wasn't even there when you did all of this. But it's on me now.
That was the last time I saw him. Till today.
Why would you spend so much amount of money on someone that you were married to?
come of it. I was in love. I was innocent. I was naive. How was I supposed to know that men are snakes?
You see, I blame your parents for not teaching you what you're supposed to do when you're in love. Or when you fall in love. You're not supposed to use gifts to show someone that you love him. You're supposed to do that. People love gifts. They will collect it. Even when they don't love you. They will eventually take the gift because they need it. Yeah. See, giving solidifies the bond of love. Love itself doesn't cause a thing. So love does not ask for anything. And let me ask you, how close were you with your mother then?
My mother wasn't having any time for us. My mother was always going from one country to another with my father. They never had time to discuss intimate things with us.
That's another problem. A child should tell the parents when he starts dating. So the parents will be able to give them tips on how to go about relationships.
Yes, you're right. But trust me, the first time my brother reported himself to my father that he was in a relationship, that day, they beat the living daylight out of him. So tell me, why should I purposely implicate myself? Why should I tell them?
That's another problem with African parents. They use cane in correcting children, not knowing that cane is not the main thing. Word from the mouth is enough and so strong to correct a child than flogging the child. That's a mistake African parents are doing. Now, did you tell your mother about the pregnancy? Did she know about it?
My dear, there was no need of hiding anything. So,
Sonia, what is it that you want to tell me? What happened?
Mom, I'm pregnant.
You are what?
I'm pregnant, Mom.
I don't believe it. Let's go to the hospital. But pray to God that you are not pregnant. Let us go.
Okay, Mom.
What is the meaning of this? Just pray to God that it will not be true.
Sonia, you want to bring shame to me? What have I not done for you? At the age of 2, I made you a millionaire already. And when you clocked 18 years, I gave you an account worth over 30 million naira so that you live a life of your dream. You achieve your vision that I would have put ahead of you. What did you do? You have spoiled it. You got pregnant with someone?
I'm sorry.
Now who did it? I want to know who did this? Who put that thing there? He what? I will throw you down here. I will bury you at the back. Nobody will know. I'm talking to you. And what?
I told you, that you ran away. I'm sorry, Dad. I'm sorry.
I'm not done with you until your mom comes back. Now listen to me. You are not going to have this thing in my house. You are not going to deliver this baby in my house. Come on, you have over 20 million naira in your account. And since you are matured enough to go get pregnant, then you must be matured enough to take care of yourself and the baby. I don't want you in this house. You better leave.
This was exactly what Mother said before she left. Where do you want me to have this innocent baby? Where do I go from here?
Go and sort that out by yourself. I don't want any bastard in my house. Leave this house. If I come back and I meet you in this house, then I'll tell you who I am. Nonsense.
Where do I start? And what do I do? And who do I run to? And who do I tell? 'Cause tears has been my food every day. Where do I go? Who do I tell? What do I do? Oh, you. Obonye kanga kola koko amo. Anya miri juru manya. Obieti wala mo. My heart is bleeding. Obieti wala mo. I am so broken. My day has turned to night. Obieti wala mo. Obieti wala mo. Where do I go from here? Where do I start? And what do I do? And who do I run to? And who do I tell? 'Cause tears has been my food every day. Where do I go? Who do I tell? What do I do? Oh, you. Obonye kanga kola koko amo. Anya miri juru manya. Obieti wala mo. My heart is bleeding. Obieti wala mo. I am so broken. My day has turned to night. Obieti wala mo. Obieti wala mo.
What? You were kidnapped?
Yes, I was. The only thing I remembered was that I saw this guy, one of them, with a white handkerchief. That's it.
But how could your parents send you out of the house?
You don't really blame my dad. I mean, he was super duper angry. And I'm sure if my mother was around, there was no way she would allow him to throw me out. Not even like that. Trust me, I went through hell.
And how did you manage to survive?
I opened up my eyes and I saw myself in a bush with this rough-looking guy.
Thank your God that the Queen Mother rejected you. Would have cut your hair. You do sacrifice.
No, relax. 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 What is it? What are you doing here? You're not looking fine. Now look at your condition. What is it?
Test. What's water?
There's no shop around here. Eh? Okay, follow me to my house. Just a stroll through. Eh? I won't harm you. Look at me. I'm a young. I'm an old woman. There's no how I can harm you. Just don't worry. I'll take care of you. You know, go. Come. I'll go and give you water. Sorry, woman. Hey. You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome to my small home, Nne.
Thank you.
I've not seen you in this village before. Where are you coming from?
Mama, can you do me a favor? Please.
No problem. Say what you want. If I have the power, I'll do it for you.
Mama, please, can you permit me to stay here and have my baby? I don't have where else to go to. Please. Please. Please, ma. Please.
Nne, I don't have any problem you staying here with me. Or Belona. I even need someone that will stay with me, that will be giving me happiness. But the issue here is lack of money. I can't take care of you. You need new clothes. You need money for medication, even your antenatal. As for food, I can eat anything I see. But with this condition, you can't eat anything you see. It's okay, can you hear me?
Mama, don't worry. Money won't be the problem. I have money. Yes, Mama. Yes, Mama. Please.
You say so, no problem. No problem.
So tomorrow you escort me to any bank around so that I can make withdrawals, okay?
The bank, it's not too far anyway, but I'll get keke. You know you can't trek in this condition. Onne, you're welcome. Welcome to my house. Oh, no problem, Onne. But what about your parents?
Mama, why are you living here all alone?
I got married 3 times. And those 3 marriages, I never had any child. Not even one. And the only reason people from this part of the country get married is to bear children. So what am I doing in a marriage when I can't bear any child? So, and I couldn't get a man that would take me the way I am. So I decided to buy this land, cook on a Belona, build this small house for myself and stay here on my own.
Mama, you're a superwoman.
Thank you. Thank you.
A man deceived me, took my money, and got me pregnant. And he takes my heart and tears it into shreds. I will never trust any man again in my life.
Just like me. I've stayed 20 years without a man. And I am going to remain like this for the rest of my life. I don't hate men, no. I don't. But I prefer to be like this. Be on my own. Manage my life.
Sorry. I'm sorry.
No, I don't have any issue. I'm okay the way I am. At least I don't zoom okay. I'm healthy. Eh? What is it? Okay.
Mama!
What is it, eh?
Well, she took very good care of me. You know, she taught me so many things. Even things that my parents never had time to teach us. And then, boom, the baby came.
And all through the days, we never heard from the boy.
Never. Not even up to today. But trust me, I placed a curse on him. One fateful day, I was so bitter, I was so sad. I was frustrated. So I placed a curse on him.
Chinonso, I curse you today. I curse you for doing this to me. I curse you for doing this to me. I curse you, Chinonso. I curse you. With this hand on my hand, it will never be well with you for doing this to me. You will look for peace, but you will never find it. You will look for joy, but you will never find it. You will look for love, but you will never ever find it. After getting me pregnant, you abandoned me. Not because you do not have money to take care of this baby, but because of your wickedness, because of the beast in you, because of the beast in you. I curse you today. I curse you. I curse you, Chinonso. I curse you wherever you go. It will never be well with you. I join hands with this baby and curse you. You will never hear any cry of a baby in your life. You will be miserable.
That was too hard.
And then what he did to me or the way he treated me wasn't hard. Was that fair either? You know, that guy made me go through pain. He made me gnash on my teeth. Through so much agony, I went through so much pain. And all you could tell me is that was too hard. Are you kidding me?
You're really passing through a lot now. But you're punishing yourself the more. See, he caused you pain. But what you're doing to yourself right now is more than what he did to you. You're causing yourself pain.
What do you expect me to do? To just forget about it like it never existed? No, you tell me, what do you want me to do? To just let that go? It can't even leave my memory. It comes into my head all the time like it just happened yesterday.
You just have to try. You just have to let go. What has happened has happened. If you continue holding on to it, it will cost you your life. Just let go. Please.
Then I traveled to Dubai. From Dubai, I went to Tel Aviv. From Tel Aviv, I went to Michigan. I kept traveling so I can have a stable life and enjoy myself. Instead, I kept encountering challenges from one problem to another. I got tired. Then I decided to travel back home so I can get a wife for myself. Maybe, just like they say, if a man gets married, he would find good luck. But things got worse. I sought for spiritual answers, and I was told the lady has laid a curse on me that is following me. Aye. Which is the foundation of my problems.
Chukunonso, so you intentionally married me to partake in the proceeds of your wickedness.
Chai.
Chukunonso.
Chai. Nke a karịrị. Uwe kpato nene. See, Olochukwu, I want us to know that this is not the time to cast blame. You know, what has happened has happened. The solution now should be, what we should be talking about now is how to go and look for that girl. Yes.
To look for which girl?
The girl now, we have to look for her.
That will be over my dead body.
Ewo.
Bad enough that he has put me through distress. I am not going to let anyone put me through such stress. I am not going to share in the pain of a crime I was never there when it happened. Never.
For me, I just want to die. I wish I can put a gun to my head and shoot myself to eternal peace.
Not yet, Chinonso. Not until I divorce you. Then you can go ahead and die.
Benwokim, what did you just talk from this your yam chopping mouth? You cause a problem for people and you want to die and go and have peace. You cannot do that. Don't you ever try that. You are going to be here until we find solution to the trouble you have caused. Can you just listen to everything you have done now? Very heavy something that I don't even know it can come from you, and you want to die and go. See, diet not okay. Let's go. I got you only 30. Let's go. You want to die again. Okay, mgabai ba anwa. Take it easy. What are you talking? You see me want to die.
I wanted to go far away. Somewhere very far from my parents, where family would ever see me again. But no, the woman insisted that I promise her that I'm going to go back to my family. Of course I did, because she was always there for me.
You never said anything about the child?
The child was fine. It was a male child. Yes, but I just wished it was a female.
Are you not rejecting your own child just because he's male?
Not at all. But
do his food, oh. Feed him very well, oh.
Okay, Mama.
Let me get something from the market, you know, go.
Okay, Mama. Buy something while coming back, oh.
I will.
Why, your Mama?
I've been everywhere, searching for you. But I couldn't see you. I even went to the police station to make a report. Where have you been all this while?
Father sent me out of the house.
I know. I was not happy when I heard of it.
I'm sorry about that. I was angry, disappointed, and I'm sorry. Not to worry. I'll make it up to you. I'll make you a staff in my company. From there you can, start a new life. Okay? All right then.
Sonia, my dear, we are sorry for what happened. Find a place in your heart and forgive us. You know we are human beings, so we are prone to making mistakes. Let bygone be bygone, okay?
I hold nothing against the both of you.
Okay. It's okay. Thank you for understanding. Why didn't you come back with your child?
I lost him.
What?
You lost him?
Yes, Father.
When my father was about to retire, he handed over the company to me and then asked my brother to go take care of the branch, the company we had in Onitsha.
Why didn't you tell your parents the truth about your baby?
Why should I? They said they didn't want any bastard, right? Up to date, I still give this woman some money to take care of the child, even though I don't have their contacts anymore.
Do you still get in touch with them?
I don't. Like I said, I don't have their contacts anymore.
There you go wrong again. Even if you hate everybody in this world, you're not supposed to hate your own son. You don't even know if that woman is still alive. And you left that child to be suffering. Do you think that that child will forgive you for giving birth to him and leaving him to suffer? Do you think? Likewise you hurt people. You're hurting good people because of the hurt you got from people. You just have to give life a chance.
Why do you like making me feel guilty? Why do you always do that? You always have a way of making me feel guilty. That's not nice.
You've been hurting innocent people. You've been hurting innocent people that loved you. When I first saw you in this company, you were looking charming. You were looking sweet. And one of the days you came to work, the dress you were putting on, you look more like an angel. And I felt like putting a ring in your finger. But sadly, you sacked too many people that day. Yeah, you sacked too many people that day. The hostility was directly opposite to what you looked like. You just have to change. You just have to give life a chance. Just change from your ways and life could treat you more better than it was in the past.
It's okay.
You just have to give life a chance.
Okay, I've heard you. Fine, I'm sorry. I'm just going to call every one of them back. Does that make you happy now? Now stop blaming me because you've not walked right into my shoes.
You make me love you more by the day. I seriously can't believe I've fallen in love with a man. I mean, well, it's all good. I can't wait to see you. Yeah. Alright, baby. Talk to you some other time. Bye, Joe.
The way love did they fly anyhow for this house, eh? What's going on? Love is just flying anyhow in this house. Oh, she's even blushing.
Hello.
Hey, the man hater is finally falling in love. Are you falling in love with a woman?
God forbid. What are you talking about? Are you okay? Babe, it's a man. The best of them all.
Oh,
yes.
I'm so happy for you. Finally, my friend is in love. Ooh.
Excuse you. Why does it feel like you're mocking me?
I am not.
Babe, I wish you can love me back. Feels like I'm the one pushing.
Don't worry. Just be yourself. Do your thing. Your dream man will come for you. Okay?
Yeah.
You're not a fine girl. You don't need to worry. Don't do too much. Your man will come.
If only he can love me back and then I can have him all to myself. I'll be the happiest woman alive.
He will. Just take your time. Do not rush things. Okay? Just be calm.
Yeah. Thank you.
So, my boyfriend is taking me out for shopping today.
You see what I've been talking about? You see? I'm happy for you, but I'm jealous.
Oh.
I mean, soon you will get married and leave me alone in this house.
Don't be jealous, my friend. Your own man will come for you, okay? Come on, you have a big heart. You get a good man. Don't worry.
Okay. Thank you.
Ha! The man hater.
Hello.
Falling in love. This is serious.
I can't just believe all that happened to her. I mean, that's why she hated men with passion.
Dad, I blame you for all this. What if those kidnappers killed her? What if she died in that bush? What if she died during childbirth? Nobody would have known her whereabouts.
Yeah, I'm sorry for allowing my emotion to control my action. I've never stopped regretting that evil action. I need you all to forgive me, please. I regret it so much.
When I came back from Abuja, I tried everything possible to find her to know Avila. We are sorry for everything. Please, tell her to forgive us. We are sorry.
I will. But please, you shouldn't let her know that you know all this. All you need to do now is to make her happy.
Please help me find out the whereabouts of the baby boy. If it means me going to get him myself, I will do that.
Okay, but let's not rush her for now. Okay? As she heals, we get more information from her.
You're right. You're right.
Yes, Mr. Johnson, I so want you. Listen, I want to use this medium to say a very big sorry. I apologize for the way I treated you, for the actions that was meted on you. Trust me, it was not intentional, please.
Wow. I'm impressed that this is coming from you.
Yes, unless I forget, I personally would want you to come back to the company. And I promise you, your salary will be increased by 25%.
Like I said, I'm impressed to hear this from you, and I'm happy. But you see, as it stands now, I have opened a business for myself. And I have decided never, ever to work for anybody. Because what you made me go through, it has discouraged me from working for anybody at all. So, I thank God you have changed, but I don't think I'll be able to work with you anymore.
Yes, sincerely, I understand how you're feeling. I don't even expect you to just give in just like that. So please.
Hey.
Mr. Nelson.
Mr. J.
Good to see you.
Nice to see you.
Thank you.
How you doing?
I'm fine.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
I overheard your discussion, so I thought it's wise I join at this point.
Have you returned to the company already?
No, not really. But I believe that the company need people like you.
But I was here now. I was here. And I was kicked out of this company just like that. Like a nobody. After all my years of dedication to the growth of this company.
But you see, to err is human and to forgive is divine. Okay, you just have to come back. I mean, you're going to get it more working here. Trust me.
It's alright. I've heard all you've said. But I have to discuss with my wife.
Listen, I don't even mind coming with you. I could also talk to you.
Rafia, it's a journey, sucking them is like a bomb in their family. DJ!
This your new you must be very interesting.
Very interesting. Trust me.
DJ, listen.
My man, you have not been looking okay. What is the matter?
Ebuka, there is a big problem.
Problem? Have your wife packed her bag and run away?
That is not it.
Okay.
I heard she has a child for me.
Don't speak Latin to me now. Tell me what I will understand. Who had the child? Your wife, or I don't get it.
You remember the girl I told you about that I stayed with in the city and I treated very badly in Enugu, and the one I scammed?
Oh, that little girl you emailed that young girl. Yeah. Have you find her? Did you see her anywhere?
No.
Hey, Mesri.
Do you know that my brother is about to get married to her?
Oh lolo. Oh lolo. But how did they know each other? How did they meet each other? And I'm confused.
You know, my brother told me that he works for her. And in the course of talking, he now mentioned me And she now also realized that I am the one. Now my brother is requesting that I come to the city and see her before they can get married.
Ololo. Hey, this one, he big like a one biggie ball of loy loy. Honestly, this one is a loy loy something. Oh.
Right now, my biggest challenge is, how do I face her? How? After everything I did to her. After everything.
Pardon. Huh? See, about facing her, you will face her. You cannot chop somebody and clean mouth and you will not face her. You will face her. But my problem is how, wow, welcome on here. Okay, all day.
It's me, Ifunanya.
Ifunanya. Hey! Imakazi.
Thank you, Mama.
You're looking beautiful.
Thank you. How have you been?
I'm fine. It's God. If you're gonna know.
Thank God.
Nah, you are welcome.
Thank you, ma. Thank you.
You are okay, okay?
I'm fine.
Yes, Mama.
No. Oh.
Thank you, Mama.
No. Obiajulu! Yes, Mama. Biake, come and greet our visitors. Hey. Nah.
Mama.
Eh?
That's you welcome.
Obiajulu.
You're welcome.
How are you, Obiajulu?
So cool. Rita.
Mama, you have been doing so well.
My dear, it's God.
Thank you so much, Mama.
It's God. It's God.
Ifunanya.
What are you doing here? How did you know I was here in the first place?
I told him. He's my brother. Actually, I'm from this village. Yes.
Ifunanya, please forgive me. I know I have done the worst things to you. I know I was far from good to you. I acknowledge I was very terrible to you. Have mercy upon me. Ever since I did all the things I did to you, my life has never been the same. I can't even forgive myself. Please, forgive me so I can forgive myself, I beg you. Look at me. I have become a shadow of myself. All I ask from you is at least find a place in your heart to forgive me so I can live again. Please.
Ifo, please. Forgive him, please.
Please, I forgive you. This is your son.
My son? My son?
No, go. He's a father.
He's my father.
Yes. My boy.
Thank you. Thank you for forgiving me. Thank you so much.
Who is here? This is your grandparent. Who is here?
My grandson?
Yeah.
Oh my God. No. Really, sir.
Yeah, thank you.
Hey, come and stay with your grandma.
Sit down. You're welcome.
Thank you. Sit on your grandma's lap. How are you? You're going.
You're welcome.
Father, Mother, this is the woman that took care of Obiajulu.
Really? Huh, Nemo, come.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
God bless you.
Amen.
God bless you. You really tried.
Thank you.
Hey.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Oh. Well,
you did a good job. Yeah. God bless you.
Thank you. For me, this is the beginning of a new dawn. I'm so happy.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
Honestly, I can't believe you had a child all this while. And you didn't even care to tell us your friends.
Me too. I can't believe you did this. We share secrets together, we party together, we gist together, we practically do everything together. And you keep this away from us? Why?
Guys, calm down. I mean, that was just the most miserable part of my life ever. You know, I was trying so hard to forget about it. But no, it just wouldn't go. It kept coming up and up, you know, to my face. And to the point I had to just open up and tell you guys what was exactly wrong with me. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Please. I'm sorry.
It's fine, Sonia. Thank God you finally brought him home. That's the most important of them all.
I am so happy for you. You finally make peace with yourself. Now you've forgiven Nonso. And I know that you've forgiven other men out there. I'm happy for you. That is the right decision to take. I'm so happy for you.
Thank you so much. And I also want to use this medium to say a very big thank you to you girls for always having my back. Thank you.
You always welcome.
You're welcome, girl.
What are friends for? So, girls, I have something to tell you. I will no longer be drinking alcohol with you people. I will no longer be going to clubs, party, you know, all those things we used to do. I will not be joining you guys. I know that look. I know that look, but my wedding date has been fixed. Yes, I'm getting married soon. And I don't want any issues with my man. So I want to stop this lifestyle, this drinking, partying. I don't want it anymore.
Wait a minute. Sonia, did you just hear her say her wedding date has been fixed?
Girl, I heard her so damn right. I'm not deaf at all.
Thank you.
Congratulations, baby.
Thank you.
I'm so happy for you.
Thank you.
Girl, who's this lucky guy?
Don't worry, you still meet him.
In that case, I think it's obvious we all decided to change at the same time. So I think this is the best opportunity for me to do what? Introduce to you girls my man.
Wow. Your man.
Since I'm the only...
Yes! Baby!
Hey!
How are you?
I'm good. Same here. Come here.
Come, sit. So, okay. Sonia, this is my husband to be.
This is my man, Brian. Brian has brought so much change to my life in such a short time. He owns my heart.
Hi, Brian. I have to get going. I'll
Hey,
just keep you guys.
please. We've all decided to move on. Just feel free, baby.
Sonia, please just relax.
Because
Hi, everyone.
Hi.
what are you doing here?
I really want to do this in front of Michael and Brian. They all contributed to the plan to make you change. I've admired you from the very first day I saw you. I want to make you mine and mine forever. Please, if not, make me your man. And your man forever. Please.
Oh
If
my
not,
god. Oh my god.
please.
Yes.
It will be my utmost desire to have you as my woman. You're all that I want in a woman. Please marry me.
Say yes.
Go. Come on.
Yes.
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 My man. My man. Did you pick a dollar from the load? Why you smiling like a goat where them born?
See. Ebuka one man. My brother and my friend.
This is the first time I'm seeing you smiling like this.
Hold on, let me break the news to you.
Okay.
What I am telling you is more than dollar or naira or pounds. This is the best thing that can happen to a man.
Okay, you have married a new wife.
Very far from that.
Okay.
My wife.
The one who I know.
How many wives do I have?
Okay.
I have one wife.
Okay.
My wife is pregnant.
Wait, I am trying to understand what you are saying. You mean Oluchukwu?
Exactly.
Oluchukwu
My
is
beautiful wife is pregnant.
So you finally did it.
I did it.
You did it. You did it.
If I didn't did it, then who would did it?
Hey, this one who is the whole
Wait. Do you know what? Let us go to our usual spot.
Okay.
And have some food and wine and enjoy ourselves.
Can I get